Welcome to second session of supply chain management. In this session, we will provide you another example that supply chain management has changed the world economy. As mentioned, that supply chain management is complete process which is integrated the supply and demand. In other words, supply chain is handling of entire production flow of goods or services. Earlier, only goods were part of supply chain. Later on, services were also added. And now, forecasting, planning, market research, market feedback, communication strategies, sales and marketing, analysis, inventory, service after sales, and several other functions are also covering under modern supply chain. We may consider three partners in basic supply chain: supplier, manufacturer, and customer. However, manufacturer may require several suppliers and third-party services to produce even a single product. So keep remember that supply chain management is starting from the raw material to delivering the finished products to end customer. Presently, supply chain management has also changed the way of thinking, directions, nature of business, diverting minds, closing the doors of old professions, opening new opportunities, generating new businessmen on regular basis. Now we are giving another example how supply chain management has changed the world economy after deep study and research on marketing area. Here we are comparing old marketing methods with new marketing strategies. Just 10 to 15 years back, it was a standard practice that industries or manufacturers were appointing their authorized agents or distributors for each country or city-wise, and manufacturers were fixing sales targets for each agent or distributor. Distributors or agents had limited sales staff for a specific product. Manufacturers were supporting and sharing the marketing techniques with their assigned agents or distributors all over the world. And manufacturers were printing catalogs, producing free samples, and sending their sales expert to assign agents or distributor in different parts of the world to visit them yearly basis and provide them physical training. Whereas free samples and catalogs were dispatched separately through air freight before arrival of the sales experts from origin. It was very expensive way of sales and marketing because manufacturers and their assigned distributors or agents both were sharing the cost of marketing expenses such as air tickets, hotel stay, food, transportation expenses, etc. And even after doing all of these efforts, specific team members, means sales team of distributor or agents, were trained for specific products for a specific region or country. This kind of distributorship contracts are still existing but limited to world famous companies and medical or healthcare sector. Very few manufacturers or industries are still following same method because there are several benefits and factors involved behind this policy, which we will discuss during our course in our live online classes. There were several world famous companies played leading role in the market but not existing now and disappeared completely due to their weak or wrong strategies. But new marketing strategies and planning are entirely different. Now manufacturers are not spending much on sales and marketing because millions of e-commerce websites and billions of individual sellers are promoting similar brands, products. Now manufacturers are providing goods or product to everyone without any contract. As explained, that supply chain management has been changed the thinking, directions, nature of business, opening the new opportunities and generating new businessmen with new ideas based on their research and deep study. Today industries, either small or big, Trading companies, suppliers, manufacturers, a small business, or any kind of e-commerce business is linked directly with supply chain management. We are just discussing how people are getting success and earning a lot of money through online business, but we are not interested to know about them, their professions and experience. Now we will discuss few professions which did not affect by COVID. Sales and marketing staff, software engineers, business development manager, supply chain specialist, global procurement specialist, freight and logistics coordinator. Basically, these professions are establishing or supporting the online e-commerce business in the world and earning handsome salaries or started their own business. Whereas millions of people are selling products on Amazon, Alibaba, Shopify, others, and simultaneously providing virtual assistant services to different companies. In our upcoming session, we will talk about the importance and future of supply chain management and what kind of skills and abilities you have to develop to become a supply chain specialist. Thank you very much.